My name is Nasser Mohamed. I go in with my friend. I go Turkey. I look this man in one cafe. What happened? What happened? This man he speak to me. I go in Germany for medical. All this is nothing. Understand? His man is one rendezvous in Germany and one doctor in Berlin hospital. This man speak one doctor in Berlin for Skype. This is doctor speak this man. Come on in Germany. All good. This Sirijci, Istanbul. One Varka, Istanbul, Greek. I coming with this man in Greece. After Macedonia, in this. Macedonia, Serbia, in this. Serbia, in here, in this. You understand? I am very finished.